Joe, what kinds of materials does Absolute Industrial Fabricators work with?
Mark, we work with all types of non-metallic materials that come in sheet or roll form. Plastic, fiber, rubber, sponge, foam, pressure-sensitive adhesive, and tapes. We die cut and stamp these materials into component parts for our customers. Many of them are now being made with pressure-sensitive adhesive which is a way to eliminate mechanical fasteners, and of course mechanical fasteners are an obvious cost.
What about your expertise with ITW Formex GK flame retardant polypropylene?
We have a relationship with Formex that goes back to the very beginning of the product over 20 years ago. In fact, we were one of their very first customers and even worked with them on the design guide. And we provided input on different ideas on how to die cut or fabricate thin plastic sheet material so that the parts would come out in a functional way.
Tell me a little bit more about this transition from Nomex 410 to Formex.
Nomex is very pricey material. It's used in high temperature applications, typically motors and transformers. So for any application that's 115 degrees C or less, it's a complete overkill. Formex is approximately half the cost of Nomex, so you can see the cost of a finished part would be a lot less. The other thing is Formex has higher dielectric strength and it's non-hygroscopic. Nomex will actually absorb moisture. As a matter of fact, it'll absorb moisture and its dimensions will change up to 2%. So, for example, if you had a part that was 12 inches long, 2% of 12 inches is 1/4 of an inch. So that part could conceivably, for example, in the month of August in the summer, when it's highly humid and hot, could expand up to 1/4 of an inch. That'll create tremendous assembly problems out on the line. So Formex eliminates all that.